Top 3 Best Boat Seats. Number 3. Tempress NaviStyle High Back Seat. Ergonomic craftsmanship and smooth functionality. High impact plastic frame, UV and abrasion resistant polyester thread. Subtle curves provide lumbar support. No pinch hinge with integral lock. Stain resistant marine grade vinyl. Upgrade to first class comfort. Comfort style panels with lumbar support. Pros. Seat locks into position. Comes in several color combinations. Plastic hinges are very sturdy and hold up well over time. Comfortable chair even after hours of sitting. Good material on the seats. Tall back. Cons. Some of the options provide a fabric covering that will hold the water in the weather. Bottom line. A decent, quality replacement seat with a high back that comes at a good price. Number 2. Semander High Back Fold Down Boat Seats. Higher back for added comfort and support. Anodized aluminum hinges. Injection molded high impact plastic frame. Compression foam padding. Dimensions: height 23.25 inches. Width 16.5 inches. Depth 15.25 inches. Fits standard 5 inches by 5 inches mounting bolt pattern. Included one boat seat and mounting screws. Pros. Universal mount for a standard 4-bolt. Good quality construction for the price point. Comfortable. Nice looking. Simple seats. Easy to install. Cons. Some reports of issues with durability. Bottom line. A good value on 2 seats with high backs that fold down. Number 1. NorthCaptain S1 Deluxe High Back Folding Boat Seat. This high-back boat seat is made with a high-impact injection plastic frame, marine-grade UV and mildew-treated vinyl, marine-grade high-compression foam padding. Comes with mounting fasteners to mount to any standard 4-bolt swivel or pedestal. Maximum weight capacity 200 pounds. High-back boat seat design ideal for fishing. Aluminum hinges enable backrest to be flipped down, creating more space. Boat seat dimension: height 23.5 by width 16.75 by depth 15.5. Pros. Pair of supportive high back seats come at a reasonable price. Holds up well over time, resistant to mold, mildew and fading. Locks securely when folded. Comes in a variety of colors and designs. Cons. Doesn't include pedestals or swivels. Lacks arms. Bottom line. High-density boat seats that offer comfort and convenience. Sit back safely at high speeds or fold down when not in use to save space and energy. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.